Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Today was my 5th birthday. And after my birthday breakfast, Mum led the Evie Bonga Conga dance to my...
Ta-da!
birthday present.
Present, Evie. This is from Simon and me. Happy 5th birthday.
Can you open it?
Yeah, fine by me. Go for it.
Oh, actually, Waffle and I have got something for you too. It's in my room.
Oh, not yet, though. No. We'll do that later when there's more time.
Oh, Waffle!
Look, it's a toy trolley.
Yeah, for all your PegBears.
No, I love it and they love it too.
In fact, I think Waffle loves it as well.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Aw, thanks, Mum.
You're welcome.
Oh, and guess what else? It's Bring a Toy to School Day today.
Really?
Miss Barrington said yesterday.
Yeah, all those lucky poodles get to take their favourite toy to school today.
Waffle school, Evie?
No, Waffle, you're not a toy. You can't go to school.
Oh.
I'm going to bring my trolley to school.
Excellent idea, Evie, but we need to clean our teeth before we go. Come on.
Oh, yeah, right, come on.
Waffle really wanted to go to school with me on my birthday,
School? Waffle goes school with Evie?
and so he hid in my trolley.
Waffle hide. Shh. Come on then, everybody. Let's do the birthday bonga.
Bonga, bonga,
birthday bonga. Oh, morning, Mrs. Hobbs.
You are lucky, Brooklyn Bells. You're always up to something different. Not like me.
Maybe you should take up a new hobby, Mrs. Hobbs.
Or even a Hobbsy. Mrs. Hobbs.
Do you know what, Jess? You're right. I think I'll find a hobby today.
Come on
Good
then,
luck.
Brooklyn Bells.
Oh, just hang on a minute. Happy birthday, Evie. 5 today.
Thank you, Mrs. Hobbs.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna bonga all the way to school. You ready?
Right.
Bonga, bonga, birthday bonga.
Bye, Waffle. Birthday bonga.
Come sit down on the mat. Nice and quietly when you get there. Oh, your toys look lovely. Oh, go sit down on the mat, and we can't wait to find out what they are. Have a good look at them. That's it. In you come. Brilliant. Lovely. Here you go. A nice sit down there.
Happy birthday, Evie. Oh, thanks, Naya. I like your robot. I like the wheels on your trolley, and the polka dots, and the waggly tail. What? That's Waffle's tail. Waffle?
Hi.
Waffle, you know you shouldn't be here.
Waffle goes school.
Miss Barrington,
Yes, Evie. Sorry.
look.
Oh, is that Waffle?
Yes.
No wonder I'm sneezy today if Waffle the Wonderdog is in class.
Hi, Miss Berrybum. Hello.
It's Waffle!
Oh, Poodles, I don't want to hear any more noise. Nice and quietly on the mat, please. Evie, why is Waffle in class?
He must have hidden in my trolley. He wanted to come to school with me on my birthday, didn't you, Waffle?
Yeah, school.
Oh, yes, of course. It's your special day, Evie. Happy birthday. So, Waffle, you were pulled along in the trolley all the way here without Evie noticing?
Yeah, trolley.
Can you stay with us, Miss Barrington? Please,
Oh, Mr. O'Donnell, could you please fetch Mr. Brooklyn Bell for me? Poodles, As much as I would love to allow Waffle to stay here all day, I can't. Summersby School has rules about dogs. They're not allowed.
So sorry, Miss Berrington. I hear there's a stowaway in Evie's toy trolley.
Yes, it certainly is.
Waffle, why would you do something so silly?
Waffle goes school with Evie.
You know you're not allowed in school. Oh, look at the time. I've got to go and teach my lessons. Miss Berrington, would you mind if he stays in here and I'll call Gramps to come and pick him up?
OK, but Waffle needs to be a very good dog until Gramps arrives.
Oh, he'll be absolutely fine. He'll just need a bowl of water now and again, OK? Thank you.
Waffle. I need you to be as still and as quiet as Benji, our class toy dog, Waffle. Can you be just like Benji?
You can do that, can't you, Waffle? Waffle?
Waffle?
Boo! Waffle still, like Benji.
Oh, right, our Wonder Dog can do it. Right, I'll come and collect him when Gramps arrives. Miss Berrington, thank you.
You're welcome. OK, nice and quiet now, everybody. Ready for registration. Bobby? Dane?
Waffle thirsty.
Durga? Elan? Annie?
Good morning.
Evie?
Good morning.
Jason?
We can talk.
Kai?
Good morning, Barrington.
Leia?
Good morning, Miss Barrington.
Waffle here. Waffle here.
Shh, Waffle. We don't want Mr. Nolan to find out that you came to school.
Oh, no. Not no.
Waffle, while you wait to be picked up, come, sit with me.
OK.
Thank you, Mr. O'Donnell.
Come in, Mr.
OK,
O'Donnell.
Poodles. Please, can you put your toys on the table around Benji, the class toy dog?
Oh, it still smells really good.
Then I would like you to come over to your tables where we are going to draw your toys. And Mr. O'Donnell, if you could keep Waffle with you while you listen to some of our class readers. And because it's Evie's birthday, she can go first. Over you go, Evie. Come on, Miss Barrington.
What's your book called, Evie?
The red dog and the yellow ring.
Oh, dog.
Shh, Waffle. Still like Benji.
Sorry.
I had a dog. She was called Amber. And one day...
Nice. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Mr. Nolan.
Mister.
Is that right?
No.
Shh, Waffle.
Oh, sorry.
Right?
Waffle still.
Yes, Waffle.
Like
So,
Benji.
Miss Berrington, what have Poodle's class been doing with their toys this morning?
Well, today we are drawing pictures of our toys.
Oh, excellent.
Yes, and we are taking it in turns to read to Mr. O'Donnell in between drawing. And as it's Evie's birthday, she got to go first.
Oh, well, happy birthday, Evie. Yes. Well, let's have a look at some of these toys then, shall we?
Yes, please.
Mr. O'Donnell, Evie, you carry on reading. Ah, what a lovely selection of toys. A lovely toy trolley. And look, a stuffed lion and a robot. And I recognize this one. It's Benji, the class dog. Hello, Benji.
Sorry to interrupt again, Miss Berrington. I've just come to collect
Mr.
Waffle.
Bell, shouldn't you be in your class?
Yes, I've just come to collect a book. Yes, that's right. Right, okay. Where's Waffle?
He's over there.
Yeah, this is the one. Found it. Counting to 10. Right, I'll just head back to my room now.
Well done, Poodles. You're all working very hard, but you've had enough interruptions for one morning, so I'll let you get on with it. Weren't there two toy dogs here a minute ago?
I'm not sure, Mr. Nolan.
Oh, I must have imagined it. Well, Well done, Poodles. On you go.
There you are, Waffle.
Waffle's still like Benji.
Who would like to read to Mr. O'Donnell and Waffle before he goes home? Leah, please find your book on the shelf. Over you go.
Waffle was our big classroom surprise today. And as you'll find out, there were more birthday surprises waiting for me at home.
Everybody!